Here we have the leverage up to 1000. Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you a crypto website you can use to trade without verifying your identity. So this is a website that does not require a lot of details like your address or your identity verification so that you can trade crypto. I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure you use it to get a bonus that you can use to make your first spin or your first. You can see here, let me show you somewhere. So you can see here, this is a free bonus that you will get when you use the link that I leave in the description. Require an email address, a phone number, or just a wallet that you can withdraw or deposit your money here. And on your dashboard, there is somewhere you will see a deposit you can withdraw. Somewhere you will see where you can trade crypto futures, where you can trade highs and lows, ups and down, and then also high-low spread. This one is just a bit risky. I don't encourage trading it. Also, this is like a gambling website. It has casinos, sports, it has a lot of things, but we are focusing on these, the main ones. So to deposit, you just click here and then you first need to choose the currency and then you click here so that you get the options that you can use to deposit that currency. So here you see send on USDT to this deposit address. Transfers below 1 USDT will not be credited. So you just copy the address and encourage using this address, BNB Smart Chain, because it has low fees. So you just copy it and then you go and send the crypto there. So make sure you use this Smart Chain because it has 0.15 as fees. You can also send fiat currencies. You also have a lot of fiat currencies. So this website operates in a lot of countries and you have the ability to send your own currency. So this is the advantage. You still can trade using your own currency here. So you can also deposit and get a bonus which you can use to trade and then get money and withdraw that deposit bonus. And then there is somewhere you can swap your currencies depending on the amount that you have. If you have USDT here, you just swap it. You choose the currency that you want to swap into and then you swap that way. It is also displaying the fee that will be charged here, and it has also a Vault Pro where you can just transfer your money here and earn a return, a 5% return, where you just sit and then you earn a 5% return on your money. So here you still have the chance to make money here. Now on crypto futures, here is where you find all the cryptos. You can trade your cryptos here. You see we have BTC, USDT. Here we have the leverage up to 1000. So you can enter, if you have 1 USDT, you can just enter it there and then you can buy or sell. So this is a real Bitcoin. So there is no scam here. You just buy or sell and then you'll be able to close here on a profit. So you can use this advantage to make a lot of money here if you have skills in trading. You also have a lot of options here that you can use to trade on this website, and then the markets are here. You can just change between them. So choose between the options that you like and then trade right away. If you have any question, I do create trading videos. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.